Hey, Charles Bryce here. Yeah, we're gonna finish it up. It's all in. I got the kill cable. It's our kill cable needed for the switch, for the kill switch on this. See, we're gonna hook it up here. Look at that. Yeah, that's where that's gonna be. There's a plastic cover. I got some oil. I even got some gasoline. So we're gonna finish it. Here we go. So we can get it done. Is that a wide enough workspace? Does it cover all of it? Yeah, that covers from the door to the, okay. Anyway, first things first, there's a cover underneath it. First things first, I gotta put this cover on, plastic cover on. Oops, that ain't it. I forgot what the, yeah, that's it. Where's that cover at? Put the cover on. Oh, wait. Oh, please, kill it, please. There we go. Okay. Yep. Alright. Pull the blade off. Put the bolt back in. Like this. Hold it on. Like that, right? Like that. And you take this cover. See, it's going to go like that. Okay. You put this cover on. It goes like this. Oh shoot, what the freaking world? Here. What do we got here? There we go. Oops. Make sure the belt is, gotta squeeze the belt together. Make sure it ain't pinched. Make sure it's out of the way. Focus under that. And this is fine to put on. get this one on. Get this one on. Oops. Oh, this looks like fun. There, now it's started. There we go. There it is. Put this other screw in. There we go. There we go, that's on. Now we put the blade back on. Get the blade back on there. Like this. Now get the blade back on. Just on here like this. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Oh, yeah, that's not enough. Yep, that's the right way. Okay, we got that plastic cover. Blades all in. Should be even with the deck. That looks good. The blades like down here. I noticed it's a little bit. It's even with this right here up here, but then it's up to this. I think this sticks down a little more. It is level with the deck on both sides there. And it's level with this plastic on here. Alright, that looks good. That's all on. Okay. We're done underneath it. Okay. Let's see how we're doing on power and batteries and memory. Okay. Hey, we're looking good. You got the handle. Oh, yeah. Yep. There's a throttle cable here. There's a throttle cable. It's the throttle. There we go. That's the throttle. Throw some zip ties on here. This. Oops. There we go. Alright, now the kill cable. So for this thing, you gotta pull this plastic doohickey off here. That's the old one. Pair of needle nose. Whatever you have, that'll work. These will actually work too. Nothing. Oh, yeah. Can't get the plastic doohickey off for some reason. Yeah, what is it? Oh, I see how it's made now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh gosh. I can't even cut the wire on it. Alright. Got the wire off. Alright. Now I gotta get the plastic doohickey off. Oh gosh, plastic doohickeys in the way. Somehow don't break the carburetor on it. Oh gosh. It's just plastic, so you can literally boy, that's Mickey Mouse, isn't it? It's just oh gosh. Okay, now we got that out of the way. Put on the new kill cable. Works. Here we go. All its pride and glory. One new kill cable. Oh, it's wonderful. Yep, it's the right length and everything. Look at that. Okay. So you put it on top on that end. Then you see that? What I'm doing there. Slip the cable in there, and then I think you have to there. Put that in the top. Push that in there. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Yep, and then there's, you have to like, see, you have to somehow get this in there. Like that. There you go. There we go. There's the kill cable. Alright, get your zip ties out. This one definitely has to be zip tied down. Just under it right here. See under it right here? This will keep this in here. Like that. Something down here to keep this rounded up on here. On the bottom. Yeah, like this. Like that. Here we go. Kill cable works. See the. Oops. See the lever. That's that. Okay. Then I gotta get this zip tied down as well, the belt adjustment. It needs to be redone. Re-zip tied. It's out of its thing. Yeah, something like that, and then put another one of these up here. Keep it out of this other cable. Oh, there's a zip tie already there. like that. There we go. Oh yeah, that's nice and tight. Yeah. Now we're gonna put oil in it. Holy cow. So that's that. The throttle. Yep. That's start or full. And then stop. Really. That's stop. And then full. Okay. That's it. Kill cable fully. Throw some oil in it. Till it fills up. Put some good old oil in it. Like this. Here's my funnel. Oh, it's going to drain out all over the place, isn't it? Here. Oh, gosh. Here. Bucket. Oh. Oh, this one will do. Oh, perfect. Look at that. There we go. See? Awesome. Alrighty, here we go. Yep, here we go. You get that? You gotta get a bucket on the side. Yep, like that. Yep. Good old Pennzoil 10W30. Yeah, I think it's like half a quart. Something like that. How much is that? That's I don't know, take it down to 500 and take another look. If that much. Yeah, there's that half a quart. Yeah, it's close to half a quart. Let's see, how's that? Whoops. Whoops. Yeah, it's there you go. It's on the hash mark. See? That's what you want. Oh, goody. Right. Okay. Yep, it's on the hash marks. There's that. Put these away. Now, one of the things I want to do is do a like that. Like that. Hitting something. I don't know why, but I just hit something underneath. I don't know. Sounded like it hit something. Oh, there you go. You're supposed to pull this thing. The hell was that? Oh, piece of wood, stupid. Here we go, now to get it lubricated inside. Okay. I'm all ready, I believe. Oh, this is exciting. All right. A little bit of go juice. You ready for this? Hey, make a drum roll, somebody. Oh boy. Ready? Oh man, this is a kill cast. Gonna kill it. Put it on low. Oh wait. Where is it? Here we go. try. Hey, that works too. When you lift the bar, it kills it. There you go. Yeah, baby, look at that. All right, there you go. That's the joy of having what you put together work right there. Alright, so now I just gotta check the oil again. So the way this thing's supposed to work is you gotta run it for, what is it, the first 3 hours has to be light work, like light duty. You put it on the highest setting to keep it up off the grass for 3 hours. Then after that you can run it as hard as you want. But it's 3 hours light duty. Run it high as it'll go. And then 3 hours, probably 3 tankfuls, and then you can run it whenever. But then it's 20 hours, and then you do the oil change. Just turn it sideways and dump the oil out and whatnot. There you go. That's how you do a predator swap on a lawnmower. There you go. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe, because it works. Bye.